Big news, everyone. Apple has just revealed the iPhone 16e, and let me tell you, this one's a game changer. It's the newest member of the iPhone 16 family, and it's setting a new standard for what an affordable iPhone can be. Oh, and by the way, they've dropped the SE name completely. So yeah, we're looking at the start of something fresh. If you've been waiting for a budget-friendly iPhone that doesn't skimp on modern features, this might just be it. Let's break down what makes the iPhone 16e so special. If you think the iPhone 16e looks familiar, you're not wrong. It's got a design inspired by the iPhone 14. You get that premium glass back, an aluminum frame, and a stunning 6.1-inch OLED display that makes everything from photos to videos pop with vibrant colors. But here's where it's different. There's no dual camera setup on the back. Instead, Apple went with a single 48-megapixel Fusion camera. Don't worry, we'll talk about why that's actually a good thing in just a minute. And yes, the notch is still here, housing the TrueDepth camera for Face ID. No home button this time, which gives the phone a much sleeker, more modern look compared to the old SE models. Oh, and did I mention? Apple finally ditched the Lightning port. The iPhone 16e now has USB-C and works seamlessly with MagSafe accessories. The iPhone 16e truly stands out in terms of performance, thanks to its inclusion of the powerful A18 chip, the same one used in Apple's flagship iPhone 16 and 16 Plus models. This decision brings flagship-level speed and efficiency to a more budget-friendly device, which is a huge win for consumers. With the A18, you can expect apps to launch faster, multitasking to feel seamless, and your overall smartphone experience to be smoother than ever. But the enhancements don't stop there. The iPhone 16e introduces exciting features like writing tools, which makes composing text smarter and more intuitive. Then there's Genmoji, a new way to personalize your emojis, adding a fun and creative twist to your digital expressions. Image Playground rounds out the package with an intuitive photo editing suite, putting powerful editing tools right at your fingertips. To top it all off, Apple's custom 5G modem ensures faster and more reliable connectivity without draining your battery. Whether you're streaming videos, playing online games, or just browsing, the iPhone 16e delivers a performance that feels premium, even at its affordable price point. The iPhone 16e takes mobile photography to a whole new level with its impressive 48-megapixel Fusion camera, a feature typically found on higher-end smartphones. This powerful camera ensures that every shot you take is rich in detail and color. Night mode transforms low-light photography, producing stunning, well-lit images even in challenging conditions. The 2x digital telephoto capability provides excellent zoom without compromising image quality, making it perfect for capturing distant subjects with clarity. On top of that, computational photography works behind the scenes to balance every shot, enhancing vivid colors and ensuring sharp details. Whether you're snapping quick photos of your day-to-day moments or shooting high-quality 4K videos, the iPhone 16e delivers results that rival professional-grade cameras. It's a game changer for anyone who loves capturing life's moments without needing to carry around extra gear. Here's something fun: the action button. First introduced on the iPhone 15 Pro, it's now on the 16e too. You can set it up to do all sorts of things: open the camera, turn on the flashlight, or even run custom shortcuts. For example, you could launch Snapchat directly into the camera mode or use it to control your smart home gadgets. Battery life? It's incredible. Apple says the iPhone 16e lasts up to 6 hours longer than the iPhone 11 and a whopping 12 hours longer than previous SE models. With wireless charging and USB-C, recharging is quick and easy, whether you're at home or on the go. The iPhone 16e comes in two classic matte finishes, black and white, simple, clean, and stylish. And if you like to switch things up, Apple has a whole range of colorful cases to choose from. As for the price, it starts at just $599 for the 128GB model, which is pretty impressive for what you're getting. Pre-orders kick off on Friday, February 21st, and the phone officially launches on February 28th. So mark your calendars. So, there you have it. The iPhone 16e. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with features. all while keeping the price within reach. What do you think? Are you planning to pre-order, or are you waiting to see how it stacks up against other phones? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.